Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the four divisions of kingdom fungi. In the earlier video we have already discussed about the general characters of kingdom fungi. Now we are discussing about the four divisions that are Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. Coming to the first division, that is Phycomycetes. Phycomycetes are found, or the members of Phycomycetes are found in aquatic habitats, on decaying wood, and on moist and damp places, and some are also found as an obligate parasites present on plants. Now the structure of hyphae. The hyphae are generally aseptate and cenocytic in nature. The members of Phycomycetes reproduce asexually by motile spores, that is zoospores, and non-motile spores by aplanospores. These spores are produced endogenously in sporangium. Endogenously means they are producing inside the body of sporangium. Endo means inside and genus means formation. That means the spores that are found inside the body of sporangium are called endogenous spores. Now the spores are formed by the fusion of two gametes, that is syngamy, and these gametes may be isogamous, anisogamous or oogamous. Isogamous, where the gametes are similar in morphology but dissimilar in physiological properties, whereas when the gametes are different in morphology, then they are called anisogamous, and in oogamous they are different in structures or the sizes, like non-motile female gamete and motile male gamete. For example, in case of mucor, rhizopus, that is bread mold, and the parasitic fungi, that is albuco. Now coming to the next division, Ascomycetes. Ascus means sac. So the fungi that are having ascus or sac-like structures, these are called as sac fungi, and they are majorly they are unicellular in nature, except yeast, which is all of them are multicellular in nature except that of yeast, which is unicellular. They obtain their nutrition from saprophytic mode of nutrition, from decomposers, from parasitic, and for caprophilous, that is the fungi that grows on dung. There comes a question, what are caprophilous fungi and to which division it belongs to? So caprophilous fungi are the fungi that loves to grow on dung, and they belong to the division Ascomycetes, and it includes basically the mushroom with genera Coprineus, and the example of Coprineus fungi is Coprineus radiatus, which is an example of coprophilous fungi. Now coming to the next division, that is Basidiomycetes. Basidiomycetes includes the bracket fungi or the fungi with the puff balls, for example that of mushroom. They prefer to grow in soils, logs, tree stumps, and in living bodies as parasites, and they even live as rust and smut. The mycelium of the Basidiomycetes fungi are branched and septate. They reproduce asexually by fragmentation. Since the sex organs are absent in the fungi of Basidiomycetes, so they reproduce by plasmogamy, where there is a fusion of two vegetative or somatic cells of different strains. As we have already discussed in the previous video, that there is a dikaryon stage or the dikaryophase in Basidiomycetes, where there is two nuclei in one cell. This dikaryon structure is formed and give rise to basidium. In basidium, the karyogamy takes place, that is the fusion of two nuclei, and zygote is formed after the meiotic division or the reduction division in the basidium. Now the basidium that leads to or give rise to basidiospores. These basidiospores are produced exogenously by the fruiting body called basidiocarp. Exogenously means the spores are going to the external or going out of the fruiting bodies. They are produced outside the body of the fruiting body, that is basidiocarps. For example, agaricus, astilago and puccinia. A question comes wherein it is asked, name the fungi that causes smut of wheat. It is astilago, and Puccinia graminis causes rust of wheat. The next division is division Deuteromycetes. The fungi of Deuteromycetes are called as imperfect fungi because the members of these fungi, in these members, the sexual phase is unknown. They reproduce only by asexual or vegetative phases. Now the nutrition, they are saprophytic in nature, they are parasitic and they decompose on litter decay and they help in nutrient or mineral cycling. The mycelium of Deuteromycetes fungi is branched and aseptate. If the perfect stage of members of Deuteromycetes were discovered, then they will move to either Basidiomycetes or Ascomycetes. The mycelium, as we know that they are branched and septate, the reproduction is done by asexual means, that is by spores, and that is conidia. The examples of Deuteromycetes fungi are Alternaria, Coletotrichum and Trichoderma. Alternaria causes late blight of potato or white spots on plants. Coletotrichum causes red rot in sugarcane and Trichoderma causes fruit rot of chili plants. That's all with the 4 divisions of kingdom fungi. Thank you.